my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna start posting videos more regularly since I'm back from winter break, officially. So I'm gonna have more free time in order to film videos. Okay, enough of that. Let's get right into the video. So today I'm gonna be unboxing my Ipsy for January, and I'm really excited to see what I've got in here. It's already open. I already opened it, but don't tell anyone. This is the second time I filmed this video because the lighting was really bad and it was like out of focus, and I have to fix that. So let's see what we got. So this is a little bag for this month and it's really cute. Oh, if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, basically it's a subscription service like for makeup. And so every month you get around 5 products, 4 to 5 I think. And it's $10, just $10. And you'll see you get great products in here. I love it. It really helps you discover all the new makeup brands and the new things without having to spend a bunch of money or like researching that much. They honestly pick out really great products. So let's start with this card. Every month they give a card telling you what the theme is. So for this month the theme is game face. So I guess it's like sporty themed. That's probably why they have this like really cute mesh bag. I love it. I love it. I really like it. It's really cute. Let's start with this because it's like the most interesting looking thing here. So this is a coffee scrub. It looks like for your body. It's coconut coffee scrub by Organic Feelings Company, Los Angeles, LA. It looks really cool. This is a lot of products. Like this would probably already be like $10. I don't know how much it costs. And I love scrubs for my back. Like I love exfoliating. It's the best feeling ever. So this is awesome. I love it. So the next thing I see is liquid lipstick, and I love liquid lipsticks. I'm honestly wearing one right now. I wear it every day. It's my favorite. One con though is that generally they tend to dry your lips a little bit. A good tip is always have some lip balm handy, and also put on some lip balm before you go to sleep so your lips can like nourish while you're sleeping, I guess. So it's a kissable liquid lipstick in the color Desire. It's by the brand Kokie Professional. I think that's how you say it. And it's really pretty. And I hope this color looks good. Let's swatch it right now. So yeah, it looks like a really pretty color. I'm so excited to use it. And I feel like I'm gonna love it. I just know it. So the next thing in here is an eyeliner. It's the Kajal Waterline eyeliner in Intense Black, which I love black eyeliners. And it's by the brand Vasanti. This is cool. It's like you don't have to sharpen it because it's like, are they called retractable eyeliners? I don't know if that's how you call them. Comment down below if you know. It doesn't say. I think that's what you call them. But yeah, I think it's really great, and I'll show you how it looks. It looks really good. I'm pretty sure it's waterproof since it says it's for your waterline. So I'm happy about that. Next is this Mary Lou Manizer. It's like a eyeshadow highlighter by theBalm, theBalm Cosmetics, which has great products. Honestly, I love that company. Oh, and it's really cute. I like it. It looks super shiny. It's super shiny. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Gosh, I love Ipsy, honestly. I love it. I'm already in love. Like the first product, I was already in love. I've been getting Ipsys for like the past 2 years probably, and I've loved almost every single product they've given me. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but like most of my most used makeups is makeup that I've gotten through Ipsy. Okay, so the last product that we have here is the Deep Replenishing Serum by the brand First Skincare. So I'm not really a big fan of serums. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really do much for me. I just put on my moisturizer at night and in the day. I don't know. Tell me if I should be using the serum. I'll try it out. I like getting makeup products more than like skincare. If you don't really like what you got 1 month, you just give it as a gift, like it's fine, like people love it. Because I have tons of skincare products. I have so many, like samples. So those are all the products I got this month, which is really nice. And if you guys want me to try out any of them or like make a review video for any of the products that I got today, comment down below and I'll be happy to do it. And don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this. Honestly, I love watching videos like this. Like I always watch the Ipsy videos to see what other people got. Or like before I had this, I researched it a lot, so that's why I was interested in making a video about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I'll see you guys in another video. Honestly, I'm in love though. This is really cute. This is like totally gonna be my new like bag for the gym. For like deodorant and all that.